I'd say the tide's in, you know, by looking at that. Or does it come up higher than that? I do not know. Let's have a wander to the end of the harbour. There you are, Andrew. That's a big fishing boat there, isn't it? No. Yeah, look at that funny old building over there. It's got like a big stone wall around it, look. Wonder what that is. Big fishing boat here. That goes all the way out to sea in rough seas and everything. Imagine working on one of them. Great big cranes, look. Oh yeah, antenna. And then you got the lovely blue sea here. That comes into the harbour. Look at how blue that is. I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera.
Harvey, don't want to.
Harvey, get back.
Like that. Right, don't use the Bible.
Lovely blue sea. It's clean as well. You can see how clean it is. Right, let's have a wander. Over there. Yeah, they're crab nets. None in there though. They've all been taken out. Look at the old building. That's just a trailer. Don't know.
Old building.
Oh no, very old.
Do you know what it reminds me of?
What?
Pete's Dragon.
True.
The old one.
Who remembers the film Pete's Dragon, the old one back in, what was it, the 60s?
Something like that.
Yeah. Oh. Cash only. Lovely old buildings. Yes, it does remind you a little bit of Pete's Dragon. Like that there, for instance. This building here looks like the old school.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
It's like Pete's Dragon. I doubt it.
Or was it American?
That'd be American, wouldn't it? Pete's Dragon.
Most films are American. I made it away. That's where they get all the money.
Ninian's Landing. I love these old buildings, me. Oh, so is it? It's like a hotel thingy then. You know what I think that is? One of them holiday, like a hostel, like a holiday hostel thingy. That's what I bet it is.
Where's he gone?
Behind you.
Oh.
This is the pub here. The Steam Packet Inn. Lovely pub though.
Bar opens from 10 for teas and coffee.
Oh wow, look at that. Look, up above.
Oh yeah.
That's cool.
Bar open all day from 12 till 10.
Oh yeah.
So it shuts at 10 PM.
Yeah.
That's the price.
Okay.
What was it the other day?
Main course, 20 quid. 20 some.
2 courses, 27. 3 courses, 33.
Mm.
Serve 12 till 2 or 5 till 8.
So they've got
Bookings preferred. A leg of lamb. Oh, there's not there, but I don't eat.
Yeah.
Haggis.
Yeah, haggis is a Scottish tradition, isn't it? That's the only problem.
lamb.
Yeah, I
Right
know.
there.
I don't eat lamb.
What is it? People keep having these Wellingtons. What's a
I don't
Wellington?
know, but look, selection of sweets on a separate menu.
That'd be desserts, bad.
I don't know. Oh, someone's in there anyway.
Looks like it's supposed to be as well.
No meals available.
Old anchor.
It's been knocked over.
Probably just been put there. Look at the lime green house.
Wait,
This probably is a house, to be fair. So look at the slat roofs. Or slate roofs. I keep saying slat is slate.
Right, don't look through the window, Harvey.
They're not full gates on it.
Well, yeah, if you think, Andrew, the harbour's here and we've had that storm, didn't we? So, yeah, that needs to be there. It's like here, all the wooden, even got the wooden sliding windows up top.
Yeah, looks like someone lives here. Oh, look at it.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Oh, no.
Harbour house.
Yeah.
Wow. Old door, that would be original door. Look at this one. I bet that's the original barn door as well. And they slide open. Wow, look at this with the balcony.
We can be a sailing club.
Oh, it's a sailing club. In an
I
old
wonder if it's
building
open.
like this, like.
No, it's not.
Oh, no.
We can go up there.
Oh, van, come over here, Harvey.
Over here.
Little boats there, look. That must be what it means about sailing club. Yeah, what's this remind you of, Bob?
Balamora.
Yeah, Balamari. We're not in
What's up
Tobermory
there?
neither. I know. Wow, look at the old building there with the stone. Just houses down there. Oh, yeah.
Look at the car. It's all covered. Look at the car. Oh, I'm leaning.
Oh, it's an old church thing. Like.
I wonder if it's open. You like it? You never know.
I think that's an Aston Martin. Oh yeah, it's got a date when it was there.
1844.
Wow, really? Church of Scotland.
Open daily.
Wow, 1844, look at that. That'll be good for a picture, I think. Let's get a picture. Right, we've got a couple of nice pictures. Look at this. Oh, I love this place. This is that old building we said about with the walls, like. Don't know what it is. Well, I just come out for a wander, really, see what's in the village. Huh?
Hang on. Leave nothing but your footprint on the beach. Oh, so you can step up. Come on.
Yeah, but
Oh, so you can go down there.
I'm gonna get up.
I'll just sit. I'll just go on like Mum's just done. Oh, so we have a wander on for a little bit. Let's go. We're on the beach.
I found a shell.
It's very soft sand. Have you? Oh, that's a big shell, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a really nice one. Look at that. Yeah.
He's trying here to see for it.
You have to get. There's another shell, Harvey. There's loads here. Look.
You'll have to wash them and thingy keep 'em.
Right. You know what I'm doing? Go and feel the Atlantic Ocean. I'll go over here because it's not as stony.
Ooh, that was a big one. You may try to do this one.
Get the shell.
I felt the sea, the Atlantic Ocean. If that's what it is, I'm sure it is. That's not even that cold.
Wait, is it?
Ah,
I'll pick this one up.
I ain't picking that up.
Try though.
No,
So,
you can't get out. Just get a different one. Oh, I've got here. We've got the camera pointing at me. Go and feel the sea, babe. It's the Atlantic. You got to go and feel it. And then, there you go. Got the sea on me, the Atlantic Sea. Ah, you've got wet. You've got wet.
it was
Oh,
over there.
these are not waterproof, that's gone right through.
Even that where I put either.
It'll dry.
Tide's coming up.
Shall we do a Stephen?
What?
Go and have a wash.
Oh, yeah.
Why not?
No, I'm not doing it.
I'm gonna do one.
Have you felt the sea? Go on, go and feel the sea. Just put your hand in it.
I did.
Go on, your turn. Put your hand in the water. Did you feel the sea?
Yeah.
I did it.
Wonder if we can find any nice shells or anything. I don't know. But I think we should have a nice little music montage here. Right, Tina's just done this. I'm hoping it's coming up because, well, the thingy's getting in the way. How am I going to get this? Maybe there?
Yeah.
Ah, thank you, Baba. There we go. This is the last section. Not going to go any further because we're quite away. How beautiful, that's definitely a picture shot. Go walk round it a little bit more so I can get a nice shot of the whole of Whithorn. Get one big picture of the whole place, I think. Not sure what that is, it looks like a restaurant or something there. There's a bus that runs through here. Goes to Newton Stewart. Yeah, we're going to get a nice shot here, I think. That isn't a restaurant, it is a shop and tea room. The sign's just there, I've just seen it.
The bus goes back up that way.
Yeah, it'll go that way, innit?
Yeah.
So buses run from here to Newton Stewart, which goes back that way. So yeah, let's head back. Hello! We're back at the van. I'm pooped now. Nice little walk today through ISLE of Whithorn. So we're just going to chill for a bit now. So we go. Yeah, I've got a car. And just sit here, relax, and just look at that view with a cup of tea and maybe a biscuit. Even though I'm on a diet, but I don't care.
There.
Just look at that view.
I'm going to do it with this hand.
It's lovely.
Please.
So we'll catch you all in a bit. Ta-da! Thank you all so much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we will see you all again very soon.